Broker open houses are an important opportunity to market your property. Empty spaces become filled with refreshments as we welcome Allen Tate Realtors across the Triangle to tour your home. We also invite brokers from other firms who sell in your area. It's important to get in front of these professionals. They may have a buyer for your property. Additionally, their feedback is extremely valuable in the listing process. Sometimes we get special guests like Matt Good, our Allen Tate Triangle VP, and the Meredith Hilbert team is always there in full force to support you, to present your home in the best way, to make sure people get a great tour and see all of the features. Thank you so much, the Meredith Hilbert team. Excellence in real estate.